Hello everyone, good morning to all. First of all wish you a very happy Independence Day. Respected teachers and dear friends, it's my pleasure to deliver a small speech on this Independence Day. India became independent on August 15, 1947 from British slavery. On this day, the national flag is hoisted on every public places. This year we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. This is day for us to remember our great freedom fighter. We can celebrate this day singing patriotic song, performing cultural activities and sharing sweet. It's our duty to preserve unity of our country. I'm proud to be an Indian and I would like to take place that I will serve my country as I can wish you all glorious Independence Day. My speech is going on the end, so I would like to say some word on education. Education's root of bitter but fruit is sweet. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
खड़ी रहना एक बार जोरदार तालियां देने के लिए